You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -1. Let's solve it step by step. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract x from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 7 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 5. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is x equals -1.